Hey everyone, welcome to English Excellence with Chaya. Often we speak fluently in English, but there are certain words, the mispronunciation of which is deeply ingrained in our mind. We really don't realize that we are actually saying something absolutely incorrectly in terms of its pronunciation. Trust me, we all do it all the time. So stay with me till the end. Watch out for those mispronunciations, and trust me, you really need to fix it right away. So let's get started. Let's explore which are those mispronunciations which we need to be watchful about, mindful about. First up, when someone is probably seated absolutely, in a cozy manner in any piece of furniture, be it a sofa, chair, anything, the word which occurs to us is comfortable. Yes, you got that right. Many people say comfortable, but it's not comfortable, it's comfortable. That's the correct pronunciation, and that's the one you need to hold on to. For instance, I'm so comfortable sitting on this couch. When you're not keeping well, the doctor always mentions that to feel fit, to feel energetic, we need to include, or probably even to lose weight, we need to include more fiber in our, diet. And definitely the main source of fiber or a predominant source of fiber is vegetables. Yes, you heard it right. It's not vegetable, it's vegetables. Very often I hear people saying this, predominantly in our country, in India, we hear people saying this vegetable is so delicious, or the prices of vegetables have shot up. Vegetable, incorrect usage. Vegetable, spot on. Let's meet on Wednesday. Wednesday, completely incorrect. And so common, people often make this mistake. The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Yes, you heard that right. Let's meet on Wednesday. One of the topmost recommendations for great hair, great skin, even great health is almonds. Yes, it's not almond, okay, or almond. These are the two incorrect pronunciations I've heard of this word. It clearly is almond, okay, and in plural, almonds. So, one of the great source of nutrients and definitely should be added to our diet. And yes, in the process, please ensure you get the pronunciation right. Enjoy your soaked almonds. Rom-coms. That's the genre of films I love to watch. Genre? Completely wrong. The pronunciation of the word is genre. So if I have to rephrase the sentence, rom-coms, that's the genre of films I completely enjoy. So when you're talking about the kind of movies or the category of films that you like to see, genre is the perfect pronunciation to the word. You've planned a luxury stay at one of the finest hotels, probably, in your country, and you want to enjoy the best room that the hotel has to offer. So that best room, as we all know it, is suite and certainly not suit. This is a common error often made by almost everyone in our circles. Okay, so watch out for this one. It's not suit. The best room that the hotel or the resort has to offer is the suite. Growing up, one of the most abused words, I would say, typically people get this wrong and they continue to do this even now. I've heard them do it so often, is the word etc. Yes, you heard it right. It's not etc., which is often the error people make. It is etc. So get your pronunciation right. If you're telling people and more, typically in sentences like carry your books, your pens, your pencils, etc., say it as etc. and not as etc. Watch out for this one. As your age advances, your metabolism drops. Yes, watch out for this mispronunciation. Metabolism, spot on. I'm sure you all wondered if I said it incorrectly. Typically, because most people say it as metabolism. It's not metabolism, it is certainly metabolism. All my dietitian friends out there, watch out for this one. When you are, probably doling out advice to your clients, don't end up using the pronunciation as metabolism. It's clearly metabolism. As a leader, we need to make strategic decisions at the workplace. No, that's wrong. It's not strategic. Actually, the word strategy misleads us. Yes, the word is strategy, but strategic is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is strategic. So, at the workplace, as a leader, I need to make strategic decisions. We have all grown up listening to and saying the word as atmosphere. So it is somewhere deeply ingrained. We need to get this out. It's actually atmosphere, the atmosphere which surrounds us. At English Excellence with Chaya, we deal with everything, be it pronunciation errors, vocabulary related challenges, grammar, speech practice, all of it. We actually ensure that we cover all aspects of learning English language communication, which helps you become eloquent speakers. So we really look forward to your association with us. Do reach out to us for our exciting programs. But yes, if you loved this lesson, I invite you to try sentences in the comments section and I would be happy to review them. And yes, watch out for your mispronunciations because those who know how they are actually spoken out loud will definitely find it, something which is jarring to the ear. So pronunciations should always be spot on. And definitely this lesson is a step in the right direction. So happy learning at English Excellence with Chaya.